Hey everybody, this is Jay with LMR. Today we're going to be dynoing Kirk Hutchins' vehicle. He is an employee here at LMR and he is part of our product management team. So far Kirk has done a couple mods to this vehicle. Consists of a K&N drop-in filter. He has the throttle body and plenum from TrickFlow. He is running pacesetter long tubes with a corresponding off-road mid-pipe. Violator mufflers with their catback system. He has a Ford Performance aluminum drive shaft and Ford Performance 410 gear set in the vehicle. He has roughly about 220,000 miles on the car, and he has filled this car up with 93 octane this morning. So we are going to strap the car to the dyno and see exactly what she does. So we just got done doing a couple pulls on Kirk's car. Looks like it made 247 horsepower at 5,000 RPMs, and it made 283 foot-pounds of torque at 4,000 RPM. So with the 200 some odd thousand miles this car has on it, I mean, that's not shabby at all. Mild bolt-ons, hot muggy day here in Texas. I mean, you really can't get better than that on a 2-valve. So again, Kirk did a great job with this car, building it, and I know there's more to come with it. So I'm sure we'll see some more dyno pulls on this car down the road. Make sure to subscribe and like our channel. Make sure you turn on notifications, and for all your Mustang and Lightning needs, stay tuned to The Real Enthusiast here at LMR.com.